and the Lord fishing.
This is Denise Cross, you are Belfort.
This is KMC.
My name is Barry Sam.
This is Machel Montano.
And I hope you will do as I do. Keep listening to them.
This is jam. This is a Tassa jam. 1, 2, watch me now. My turn, my turn. See nothing wrong with money that I eat and Drupatee, come. I wanted to say, wee! Wee! 1, 2, 3. Singing Drupatee, say. But this song.
जिंदगी में आए तो बात बन जाए
Put your hand in the air. Sing again, sing again.
जैसा कोई जिंदगी में आए तो बात बन जाए बात बन जाए
I want to see you. Raise your hands. Why not the serious girl, man? This is failure. No, seriously.
आप जैसा कोई जिंदगी में आए तो बात बन जाए बात बन जाए
Only excuse me. Hey, see nothing wrong with money, no, I ain't got it. Why not a shiny girl? Why not a serious girl? Why not a unique girl, man? This is low. But you want? I want you to sing it nice and easy for me now. Right? But not yet. I'm going to show them the African. Roger, come. Drupatee gonna sing for me. And I'm going to show you the African. And we're going to show how we going to unite. 1, 2. Roger, come. I will let Roger start you. I will let Roger start you. Oh, let's see this woman. She looking so good since the last time I see her. She looked the same. You say so? You say so? This is really unity, Jew. Here we go, Roger. Roger, I want you to start up Drupatee. Here we go. 2, 3. Oh, that's.
Here on CITV, we are celebrating our 30th anniversary with the month of Soca. TV family, thank you for making Caribbean Insight your #1 stop for culture. Today we have over 10,000 subscribers. You have showed your interest in keeping Caribbean culture alive. We are offering you our t-shirt collections, shirts that invoke thoughts and empowerment. They are collector's items and memorabilia. For your participation, go to the link below and make your contribution to foster the value of our Caribbean cultural stories. Thank you for your